Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by sizing the bed to the doll, measure length and width, then choose a material that fits your skill level. Once done, cut a base from wood, foam board, or sturdy cardboard and smooth edges. This prevents snags. Make simple side rails next. Attach with wood glue or hot glue. Make sure to clamp or hold parts until the adhesive sets. This creates a solid, square foundation for the rest of the build. Next, you build comfort and strength. Cut foam to the base dimensions, then wrap it tightly in fabric, stitching or gluing the seam neatly on the underside. Once the mattress sits flush, attach the headboard and footboard. Reinforce corners with tiny screws or an extra bead of glue so they don't wobble. Then dress the frame. Stretch fabric over rails and staple or glue inside the frame, and add trim to conceal raw edges so the doll. Finish by painting or staining the frame, then seal with a non-toxic varnish so paint won't flake on playtime. Let it fully dry. Dress the bed with a fitted sheet, small pillow, and light blanket. Use Velcro tabs for removable cleaning. If anything wobbles or gaps appear, make sure to tighten screws, add small corner braces, or re-glue joints. If fabric puckers, re-stretch and reattach. This final check ensures the bed is both attractive and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.